just like slide. It was so much fun. And then we did one where it was
my God.
And then we did one where it was just snow, and that was the best fun.
We need to go down there.
Oh my gosh, it looks like icy.
I know, we need to go down there.
It'd be like an ice rink. First, let's try to make our way to the gas station.
Yeah.
My shoes are having like snow stuck in them right now.
My beautiful boots.
And there's snow in my shoes. I'm trying to hop. This is like an odd way of walking. Oh my gosh, I see the gas store.
Oh my God. Yeah, the gas store's up there. The gas store. Gas station. Stupid. Look out. Don't get hit by a car. You know what? If you fell out into the street and you got hit by a car, ran over by a car, I would cry.
Hey, yeah. No, if you got hit by a car, you know what I'd do?
Cry.
No, you know what I'd do?